Okay, let's go back over here. So we said our category 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Cell editing right here. We'll go ahead and kill this. Validate edit. So we're going to do a switch. And that was editor dot call IDX. Okay. So we said 4. So for this, ext.ajax.request. So you haven't seen this yet. So we're gonna make a force send to the server in the background, and the method is gonna be a post, the URL, data, bugs, update, category.php, params. So here's what I'm going to do. Do I have access to the record itself? Just a question. Column F. That's my column. Don't care about that. Record. Yep. Dot data. Dot ID. Sweet. Okay. So we're going to say that first we're going to send the ID. It's going to be editor. Dot record. Dot data. Dot ID. And then the category we're going to send is editor.value. Okay. I really wish I could go down some more. This is kind of lame. Never experienced this before, really. There we go. Okay. Okay, so now here we need success property function, and it's just going to send back a response. So result equals JSON parse response dot response text. And if result dot error equal to 0, and here's where I need a var me equals this. Because if I try to use this down here, it would not be the whole window. It would not be my controller. So I'm going to say me.get view model .get store bugs .load. Okay, so that should update our category, and this probably won't work. Probably have to do some debugging, but that's okay. Quite alright. So let's reload. We're just doing category. Few bugs. So this is pin pads right now. Let's set this to test. Enter. Okay, let's check our network tab, see what's happening here. Close this out. Test. Okay, I don't think we're hitting... Well, I know we were hitting this guy before. Let me put a debugger in here. Okay, let's reload and bring this guy down out of the way a little bit. Just so we can get that window to load right. View bugs. Categories, pin pad still. Test. Okay, we'll bring him back up now. So we're going to say step over. Now the editor.columnIDX is undefined. Where's our editor at? Context. Oh, we need to be using context. Okay, sorry. My bad. This is going to be context. This is going to be context. And this is going to be context. Okay. Reload it up. Bring him over here. Bring him down a little ways. Reload our bugs. Go into our category. Change to test. Then bring him up so we can see what's going on. So our column IDX is 4. Sweet. So we're going to step here. Step here. There's an AJAX request. Let's see if we don't get any PHP errors, something weird. Response. Looks like the response text isn't too terribly bad. Nope. So we got, yeah, you can see something funky's going on right there. Okay. Let's go see what it is. Network. Update category. Okay, we misspelled connection. No big deal. Connection. Let's just run this through. Try to update it again. Test. Go back to our response text. Says true, error 0. Okay, result. We'll go over this guy. Oh, okay, so they didn't like something with my... Yeah, I didn't like something that I'm sending back. Let me go back and look at that again. Test. Response text. Huh, it's like they're deleting something on there. Ah, yeah. No, that's supposed to be there. Says true, error 0. There we go. That's it right there. Okay, run him through. It's fine. It's PHP, so we don't have to. It's not going to reload or anything. Nothing too nasty. Okay, let's see if we can step over that now. It should parse it. Yes, it does. Result.error 0. So it should reload the store for us. Let's bring this guy back down. Test. Awesome. Let's take the debugger out and try it again. We're getting there. It's a slow process, but we're getting there. Bugs. Few bugs. At least you're getting to see a bunch of different cool stuff, which I like. I think it's neat. This data binding stuff is pretty complicated stuff. We're going to go back to my software and enter. My software. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And once we get the form on here and we get it bound, you're just gonna be like, oh man, this is nuts. Okay, let me stop this here, and then we'll go back and we'll do status and priority.